heard you sigh, you know I love that sound. He's bouncing off my booty cheeks, I love the way he rides. I can hardly breathe when he's pumping deep inside. I kiss him on his neck and then he kisses on my pussy. Call him daddy while I holler.
It's damage from last race. Oop, sorry.
On the road again, just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again.
Race car booty. Look at that race car. Wow. What a fancy race car. But it's not fancy. We're in Searchlight right now. We got gas for the race car. We're not even halfway to Blythe, I don't think. So, see you later.
On the road again, just can't wait to get on the road again.
Hi. We just got to Blythe. We pulled off the trailer and my car has no brakes. So we're gonna try and fix that right now. If not, then we have no brakes.
gonna go like that? Oh, yeah. I wasn't gonna stop. I can tell you that right now.
He was celebrating today.
2 or 3 laps ago.
He was celebrating because Donnie finally got a baby. Who?
You're joking, right?
Well, I guess it's funny that I went down there and he's Donnie. So
Hi. It is currently somewhere around like 9 p.m. Still on the trailer because we pulled it off. We had no brakes, so we put it back on and didn't even get to run today. So that's the outcome of today's race weekend for us. Also, can we talk about how gas is almost $7 a gallon here? What the heck? That's a wrap on tonight. Nothing really happened for us today, but still in one piece. Just no brakes.